What is better than an Aussie Christmas? I mean, look, the sun is shining and I love being outside, even on Christmas Day, and nothing beats a Christmas ham, unless, of course, you can cook a Christmas ham on the barbecue, and I'm gonna show you how. Firstly, you remove the skin, right? But leave the fat attached to the ham, so you're just gonna gently peel that back, or of course you can grab a knife and you just slowly take your time with it. You don't need to rush. Once you've sort of peeled most of that skin away, in a line, just cut around the collar of the ham. Once you get to the back here, make a little incision that runs straight down the length of the skin, and see how we get to that point where we made that little cut, and that skin will just fall right away. The next thing we're going to do is score the ham. So I just go straight down like this, a few centimeters apart, and then I do it on the diagonal in the other direction. That is going to be really pretty. Next, we're going to make our glaze. Now this is really simple. You get yourself a pan, and what I'm going to do here is add a little butter. You'll see I've got the pan quite hot, and you'll see that butter starts to melt, and that's when I add my garlic. The second that garlic hits that hot butter, it smells just so good. All right, next we throw all of these ingredients in. I've got a little chili flake, some Worcestershire sauce, some Dijon mustard, some lemon juice and white wine vinegar, tomato sauce, and golden syrup. We bring all of that to the boil. Oh, it's perfect. Now before we put the glaze on the ham, we stick it on the barbecue first for about an hour and a half. Just give it a good stir, make sure it's really nicely mixed. Let's have a little peek. Oh, yes. Now, don't be alarmed. It's not going to be pretty just yet. That comes later, all right? This is the first time we're glazing the ham, and what you're doing here is you're just brushing that sweet, tangy glaze all over. Once you've given it a good brush, then you can go ahead, close that lid, and go and do something else fun. The best part about doing the ham this way is you stick it in, you kind of forget about it for an hour and a half, and then you just pop back out and check on it. Because there's a lot of stuff going on Christmas morning, isn't there? You've now got beautiful color from that first glaze. And we're gonna come back every 5 minutes. Doesn't matter if it takes 10 minutes to come back, it won't go anywhere. I've been in and out to this ham all morning, and I tell you what, it's been an absolute joy. Come and have a look at how it's looking right now, because it's starting to get that beautiful golden color. That is what you are looking for. I'm gonna give it its final glaze. It is the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, and look at that. That, my friends, is a thing of beauty. I've got some beautiful fresh rosemary. Beautiful. And on my new carving board with this beautiful Japanese steel carving knife. I know I'm supposed to carve it for everyone first, but I don't think anyone will notice if I just take this little slice out of here. Oh, it is Christmas, my friends, and that is really, really good. Oh, look at how that just glides through. I've done this entire ham on the barbie. Merry Christmas, everyone.